How to show hidden drives in Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you view or show hidden drives in your Windows 11. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open your file manager or this PC. Alright, so after you open this PC or file manager, you will be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to do right click on this PC. So simply right click, and now from here go with the option show more option. Okay, so from here click on manage, and from the section you'll have to go the options like disk management, so simply click on it. Alright, so from the disk management section you'll be able to see every hidden drives on this section, so you can easily find out the hidden drives from here. And if you want to unhide that, you'll have to just select that, and after you select that you'll have to just right click on there, and from there you'll have to just go the options like format, and after you click on the format you'll be able to see such interface, and from there you can easily find the options like add a drive or path. So simply you have to go the option add a path, and from there you'll have to just go the options like assign the drive, and after you click on that assign a drive, you will be able to unhide or view all of the hidden drives on your Windows 11. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.